I gave him $100. He came at me like an asshole.
So I hit him with my cane. I did, because he's a big man.
Say you don't respect me.
Do not resist.
$100 loan, a cane used as a weapon, 3 criminal charges. This analysis examines 3 questions. Was there a valid self-defense claim? Was the arrest constitutionally sound? And can a defendant's own words become the strongest evidence against him? The answers reveal how quickly a single incident generates multiple independent legal problems.
6 cars, second call, morning, what are you?
You're not involved?
No. He just tried to come at me with a cane.
Hold on.
He just
Let's
tried to
talk
come
over
at
here.
me with his
Let's
cane.
talk over here. I'm not going to yell with you guys. Let's talk over here.
Really? I lent him money, $100. I gave him $100. He came at me like an asshole. He swung his cane at me. I took it away from him. I threw it, and they saw it.
You're injured, sir?
He beat me with the cane.
Dude, the guy who works for me, his motorcycle's right
Sir, stay
there.
over here. I'm not telling you again. Stay over here.
His
Sir,
motorcycle's right there.
sir,
My
stay
motorcycle's
over
right there.
Stay over there.
Hey, my motorcycle's right in front of his.
I understand. Stay over
I
here.
get it.
He's drunk. He came after me.
Hold
I took my
on.
cane.
Did you see the whole thing?
I did.
Okay,
Yeah.
can you explain it to me,
He
please?
came after me. Hold on. He came after me.
I'll let him finish.
So I hit him with my cane. I did, because he's a big man.
He took
Then
a
he
swing
took
at
my
him
cane
first.
from me,
Can you explain it, please? There's a lot of
Stop,
different things
stop,
going on.
stop.
beat me with the cane,
Stop.
and threw it out.
Stop.
He's drunk,
Okay.
says he loaned me money, never.
I guess we'll
Go
speak to
ahead.
the other
Listen.
officer.
No, just go ahead. Just go ahead.
Listen, I got plenty of money. I got like
Just go ahead.
$500
Just go ahead. Just go
on
ahead.
me.
So basically, I was cleaning inside of the room when I started seeing, him getting exacerbated, like yelling at.
You were cleaning his room?
This
No,
is
my
the police
room.
officer.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Then I
This is
came
the police
inside and I
officer
asked him,
that
okay,
he
what's
said
going on?
was his
So,
friend.
Don't worry about it. So at the time, I went back inside and I noticed that he started getting even louder with him and in his
They were
face.
both outside?
Yes, they were both here.
I was trying to leave.
He was trying to leave
But he
and
wouldn't
he
let me.
wouldn't let him leave, actually.
This is his car?
Yes, wouldn't let him leave, and then started to ask him for the money that he had borrowed from him at some point. I'm assuming, I don't know when or
Okay.
where exactly. That's when I realized that it was getting more, agitated towards him, and then just took his cane from him as he was just shielding himself. with
These
it.
two guys came out.
Stop,
Well,
let me.
hold on. It's very important. That
And
couple
they
came
were
out.
not even outside throughout the whole, the
Okay.
other witnesses.
Okay.
It was just,
So you saw them. So you were in the room cleaning. You
Yes.
saw them. He approached.
yes,
Okay.
and started to yell at him, saying that belligerent stuff that doesn't even matter. And then he was trying to swing at him, and then he just used his cane to pretty much fend
That's his
himself.
cane?
Yes, and
Okay.
then he just took it from him and just swung it at
And
him.
whacked it out? Okay.
And then there you guys, you could see.
Okay.
And
And
then
he
I was
told
already
me
on the
that
phone
he
calling
has
you
friends,
guys when all of
that
this
he has
happened.
friends on the police
So,
department here.
Okay.
And that
as
they
I
would
said, the
protect
other
him.
individuals that were not outside,
this
I'm
couple
actually the
came
only
out.
witness that saw everything.
They
Okay.
saw me when I hit him with
And
my
I-
cane trying to
I guess you
protect
guys could hear
myself.
on the phone that he was asking.
And they don't remember
for
anything
police
else.
call.
But the guy who hit me says that he's friends with all the police officers
He was
here.
threatening him
And he
with-
wouldn't have to worry about it.
Yeah,
Do you need medical attention? It
you
looks.
gotta go. You
No,
gotta
I'm
go.
okay.
You
There's one
gotta
coming?
go.
I can
All right. There's
fix
one on the way
that.
to check you out. All
I
right.
can fix it.
Stop it.
There's one on the way to check you out. Do
My
you?
point is, the man came after me. Look at his side. Look at my side. I hit him
He
with
was
my
actually
cane.
trying
I'm
to.
not
Guy in the
listen,
neon shirt. It says
I'm
truck
not
right
gonna lie to you.
She was cleaning the room.
So I came over here because I saw they got back. And I wanted to let him know your bike's okay, the whole bit. And then he got all on my pay. Oh, I gave you $150. No, I got $300, $400, $500 in my pocket every month. I could show you. I got it. I get a lot of money every month. And then he came at me. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I hit him with my cane. And then he took my cane, and there you go, and told me that he was gonna kill me. I started to get up.
What room is yours, sir?
22.
22.
I taught martial arts for 42 years.
Okay.
So I started to get up, and I said, bad move. So I sat back down, and he started to threaten to kill me. That's when she came over.
I was watching everything.
Okay? He threatened to kill me.
What's up? I got my other phone. Because I applied for it.
Stay out of your car, sir. Sir, get out
Sir,
of
he
your car.
just told you to get out. Stay out of your car.
Get out of the goddamn car. What are you, deaf?
Can you sit here and not? I got 5 phones. I'm 2 towing companies.
Do me a favor.
Sit here and respect me.
Turn around.
Turn around.
No,
Turn around.
sit
Put
here.
your
Sit here and respect me.
Do not resist.
Sit-
Get on your stomach.
Are you for real? Put your hands behind your back.
Sit here and stop.
Put your hands behind your
Hey,
back.
Roll on your stomach.
hey, I got a back issue. Stop.
Well, you're going to end up with
I
more
got a
back
neck
issues.
and back issue.
Then stop screwing
Stop.
around. Stop resisting.
Now.
No.
Okay.
Dude, shut up. Relax. You're given multiple warnings to be quiet. Stop resisting.
No, I'm letting you. Give me a call. Now. Call back now.
You're good.
No, good.
Oh, we'll get you up.
I got neck and back issues, dude. I guess you don't realize when you have neck and back issues and you roll a tow truck off Jugtown Mountain and broke your back, you don't have that.
Yep.
Maybe you should just shut up and do what you're ready.
Sit up on your. Sit up. Sit up.
I can't. I can't, dude.
You just had that one crossed.
But
Your attitude is why you're in here.
I get that. But at least let me get up and walk.
No,
my,
you're sitting down. You're not
My
proceeding.
neck and my back, and I can't move like this. I'm under doctor's care. I'm
If
not
all these
going to
things are
say.
the case,
I'm
you probably should have
mad
listened to us
here.
the first time.
Can
Get up.
you give me a minute?
On your feet.
Lean against your truck.
Hi, I understand.
Lean against your truck.
Hi, can I just talk to
He just told you to lean against your truck.
We're not
Lean
talking
against your
about
truck.
nothing. Lean against the truck and be quiet.
I'm mad here.
I know.
And you can't explain me how to do.
I explained to you multiple times to keep your voice down. You kept going in the truck. You kept walking
I'm
away.
trying to.
I told
I'm
you
trying to
multiple
get
times
his
not get in my
number
face and
and
scream.
stuff I
and I
need
told
to.
you that's not important.
I
So if you're not
can't
going to
move
explain
my
to you,
mouth.
I'm not going to say another word.
That's fine. Where I got to pee? Where am I peeing?
You're pissing your pants for all I care. But you're not going to the bathroom right now.
That's fine. When I piss my pants, are you going to charge me? I'm just trying to get stable, buddy.
You're just not listening.
No, I'm probably not stable for my back.
Okay.
My back has so many issues, it's not funny.
Okay.
I'm under doctor's care.
Okay, that's
Can we
fine.
go over by a tree and I could pee?
We can't do that right now. No.
Oh,
If you just listened to us before, this would have been a lot easier.
No, I get
You
this.
didn't listen since I got here. First thing I told you, you didn't listen to what I told you.
Can I explain something? I brought to the cops. Can you give me a break? All I want to do is go pee. Can you let me go pee? And that's one of the problems. I want to go in my house and go pee.
That's not.
Give me 3 seconds so I go
We
pee.
can't do that now. You gotta wait.
Okay. When I pee right here in front of you, am I going to get charged?
So you're under arrest right now for aggravated assault, resisting arrest. And
How am I aggravated assault?
You beat that guy up in a wheelchair.
I didn't beat him up.
It's not what everybody else says.
Yeah.
So I beat him up, right?
And you made it to assaulting him before I heard you say it.
No, I didn't.
All right, come on.
All right, come on.
Can I go pee somewhere?
When we get to the station, I'll
Let's go. Right here.
No, it's not later. I want him called now.
No. That's how it works.
That's my attorney.
I don't care.
You're the prosecutor.
When you go,
Yes, he was.
you're out of our custody, you can give him a call.
Hey, but you don't have to sit here. Can I pee?
Back in.
Wait, give me a
Hey,
second.
hey, can I pee like a friend? Hey, can I ask you a question? Can I pee like a friend?
Oh, your pants are
No,
falling
I'm
down.
ready to pee right
Yeah,
now.
pick those up.
But it's something over your car. Can you listen to me? Oh, Scott, let me go pee that in the
Can you
woods.
hold it for 5 minutes?
No, I'm going to pee right
We're getting the goddamn car.
Get in the car now.
You would have
Let's
been there
go.
already.
No, you ain't going to charge me.
Get your foot in. You get your foot in?
You can't charge me for pissing in your car.
I sure can.
No, you can't, because I offered.
Do it and see what happens.
Okay. And I'm asking you to allow me, and you're not allowing me to pee prior to in your car, and disrespect you guys.
We're having a hearing problem, so.
No. You're not realizing I have 18 tow trucks and 2 shops. That is not a legal word. And I can't get out. I gotta go to the bathroom. So,
Well, we got a bathroom here now. We'll be able to
well,
go.
I
There we
can't
go.
get out. If you look here, I got a bulge on my back,
Uh-huh.
a bulge on my neck.
Uh-huh.
You'll see there's a bulge on my
One
neck.
sec.
No, I'm not gonna fight you guys.
All right, we're going right. Going right.
No,
You're gonna go right.
I
Right
understand,
turn.
but I'm saying I'm not fighting you guys.
All right.
I've been here a long time. I've been here 40 years in this area. But I need to use the bathroom.
No, we're not using the
No, I understand what I'm saying
So
with
take
respect.
put that hand on top of your head and takes the cuff off.
No problem, buddy. I'm all good with that. All I need to use is the bathroom, dude. No, but he tried hitting me and I took
Here, you gotta take
I got
All
to
right.
pick really bad.
Sorry.
He tried to hit me with this thing and I took it away from him and threw it in the woods. You know what I mean? And there was other people that saw it. And it's all on camera. And all you got to do is call me. And this is going on for a little while now.
Under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1,966. The advisement requirement applies only to custodial interrogation. Voluntary statements made before arrest, without any questioning, require no warning and carry no exclusionary protection. Pre-custody admissions go directly into evidence. This is among the most misunderstood rules in criminal procedure, and in this case, the most consequential. Battery requires intentional, unlawful physical contact with another person. Elevation to aggravated status requires one of three additional factors: use of a dangerous instrument, infliction of serious bodily injury, or victim membership in a legally protected class. Physically disabled individuals qualify as a protected class under aggravated battery statutes across the majority of U.S. jurisdictions. In this case, all three aggravating factors are simultaneously present. Self-defense under Model Penal Code Section 3.04 requires three concurrent conditions: a reasonable belief of imminent harm, proportional use of force, and non-aggressor status at the moment force was applied. The initial aggressor doctrine, recognized across federal circuits, holds that a defendant who initiated the confrontation forfeits the self-defense right in response to the victim's reactive conduct. One missing element defeats the entire claim. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1,989 establishes that the reasonableness of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Three factors govern the analysis: severity of the underlying offense, immediacy of the threat presented, and active resistance by the subject. All three are affirmatively documented in the footage. The Fourth Amendment requires only probable cause for a lawful arrest, a threshold substantially lower than proof beyond a reasonable doubt. On-camera admissions combined with independent corroboration establish probable cause with significant surplus. The critical legal distinction: three charges arise from three independent evidentiary tracks. A successful self-defense argument at trial resolves only the battery charge. The resisting arrest and obstruction charges are supported by conduct, documented on camera after officer arrival, and stand independently. Three legal lessons from this encounter. First, pre-custody silence is a constitutional right that costs nothing to exercise. Second, a self-defense claim requires all three elements simultaneously. One absent element defeats the entire defense, regardless of the others. Third, charges generated after the original incident create independent legal liability that cannot be resolved by the outcome of the underlying offense. Compliance with lawful commands is not an admission of guilt. It is a decision that controls how many charges a defendant faces. Three questions remain open. Does a defendant with 42 years of martial arts training face a different proportionality standard than an untrained person? Do voluntary pre-custody admissions constitute a confession, or can they be reframed as context by a skilled defense attorney? And if charges in this case were ultimately dismissed, what does that reveal about the gap between probable cause and what a court is actually willing to uphold? The outcome changes the entire legal picture.